Hey, today is a nice cool fall day, and I'm gonna go get a couple of little nut treats. I'll show you what we do for a little healthy little snack that comes natural, comes free here in the high Uintah Mountains. So where we live is in the high Uintah Mountains of eastern Utah, and we live in the largest piñon forest in I believe North America, if not the world, but it's a big piñon forest, and it has piñon pine, and that's what you see behind me right here, piñon pine trees. These are the pine trees that grow pine cones and give pine nuts that you can eat. They're tasty, wonderful things. So we'll go over and I'll show you. They've popped already, so we have to pick them up off the ground. If we were earlier, if I'd have thought about this earlier, we'd pull the pine cones off the trees in late August, just before the first freeze, and the pine cones then just are normal pine cones, and the first time they're hit with frost they pop open and all their nuts shoot out, so then you just got a big tarp full of nuts. But in this case, I'll show you how we have to get them now. We do it kind of like the Indians did. That's okay. So here on the ground, if you can see, are the pine nuts, and that's because the tree has popped. The first frost came, and the tree, the pine cones open up, and the tree drops its pine cones. I'm getting hit in, the wind is blowing, I'm getting hit in the head with them right now. So we just do like the Indians, and we just crawl around on the ground on our hands and knees, and pick these up and put them in a big bowl, and then eat them as snacks. Boy, I'm getting pelted like hail here. So that's how we do it. We just crawl around on our hands and knees and pick these up. Hunter-gatherer, that's how it works. So many of you have wondered how my Kill All Your Pesky Rodents video came to be. I'll put a link up above here. You can click to it. It's years like this when we have so many pine nuts. The floor of the forest is just littered with them, literally littered. And the rodents just go crazy. They explode. They haul them off to their burrows. And we even see them in the middle of the winter climb up, dig up through the snow, climb up the pine trees and scavenge pine nuts that are still in the pine cones. It's amazing. And then come spring, when the snow melts, the ground is still littered with pine nuts. And the rodent population just explodes. It's just more than the forest can handle. So that's how that killing all your pesky rodents bucket came to be so important to us, because we just, it's the only way that we can keep them under control. So just FYI. So that's it. That's our quick little pine nut snack. They're pretty pricey. Half a pound is about $8 at the store. So it doesn't take you long to gather up a couple of pounds of pine nuts, and then when you're reading your book or if you're looking at TV, it's a nice little healthy snack. Brad, Cougar Ridge Ranch. Hope you enjoyed it. Like us, follow us, tell your friends. Also follow our Kwai Girl soap page and learn how we make soap for the women and the guys. Some wonderful stuff. All right, so long for now.